There's different ways you can do that. Let me come over here, and I've selected my bars. Now right click and say select data. That tells me where it's coming from. Coming from S&T in daily return. So I come over to daily return, and create a new column, mean 0.0848, and I'm going to fill that down. Of course, you use formulas, not what I'm doing. I'm just showing you just generally how to do it. Then if I come back over to my histogram, if I right click on it, I can choose change series event. Select data. There it is. Click add here, and I'll type mean. Get rid of these values. Click that. Come over to daily return and highlight the numbers I just put in. Click that button and OK. And click OK here. Now, if I click over here in Legend and click Mean specifically, I can right click on it and say change series chart type. And I can choose a line for that particular one. Click OK. And then I can choose that again. I'm left clicking to choose that. And format data series, and I'll put that on a secondary axis over here on the side. So now you see it's up here where my mean is. Some people do this. They'll put it on a secondary axis so you can see the values here. Now some people, since this is 0.08, let me see if I remember how they do it. Choose shapes. They choose a line here, and they simply eyeball it, and they look where what was it, 0.08 would fall, more or less. If that's 0.04, let's say 0.008 is right here, and they'll draw a line like that. For our purposes, that is close enough. Of course, then you have to do some adjusting with the legend and so forth, if necessary. Some people don't do that. They put text on here. To be honest, I'm not quite sure where they do that at. Insert text box. So they could put a text mean equals 0.08 like that. They could change the font or whatever they wanted that, but they could put something like that. So again, there's many different ways. Those are just two ways to do that.